What's going on, everybody? This is Danny from the Engine Base, back at it again with another video. This time, this is regarding safety. This is one of the best things that you can do for yourself to take care of yourself when you're driving around in the world. And these are, of course, the BlackVue DR900S-2CH dash cams from, of course, BlackVue. Here are the specs for you to take a look at. You can go ahead and pause the screen and take a look on those specs, because I'm not about to read that entire list. As much as I love you guys, I'm not about to do that. And this is the PowerMagic Pro device. This is going to allow us to wire the cameras up to the fuse box of the car, and basically hardwire the cameras to the car. So when you turn it on, when you turn it off, so on and so forth, they react as a natural accessory. With all that said, let's go ahead and get into it. These, of course, are the cameras. I'm just going to cut the plastic off of it. And yeah, so this is really Apple-esque packaging. You have your clear shrink wrap, but that's pretty much a lot of things technology. And let me just pull that off. Throw that to the side. Cool, so these are the two cameras. Now this bigger one, this one's the one that sits in the front windshield recording forward. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that here for now. And the smaller one is the one that you put in the rear view so that it can record the back of your car pretty much. You can actually also flip this so that it swivels full 360, so you can even record the inside of your car if you wanted to. Below that little sleeve, I don't think that's anything. We've got the quick start guide and an accessory box. Okay, so in the accessory box, we have the plug that you get to use if you're just gonna wire this through your cigarette lighter. You can do that. This is the video feed cable that's going to go from the front camera or from the rear camera into each other. You have a couple of things here for wire management, so you get to use these little things to tuck the wires wherever you want. This is an extra sticky pad for the front camera, an extra sticky pad for the rear camera, a plastic pry tool. You do get an SD card minus 32 gigabytes, but you can choose, I think, up to 256, which you're gonna want if you're shooting 4K, and then a flash drive converter for that memory card. So that's pretty much it for the actual dash cams themselves. Let's go ahead and move on over into the PowerMagic Pro. This one's a little bit more simple. This is essentially a timer and a battery protector against your battery, pretty much your car battery, and it has a fuse or a cigarette lighter adapter that allows you to run this cable into here, and then this box into your fuses. Okay, some more documentation there. The actual unit itself, you can configure these in any of these sort of color codes right here, and that'll basically control your dash cams without you physically doing it. And then here's the cable with the plugs that you would plug into here with the actual plug itself that you take to your dash cams. Anyway, guys, that was pretty much it. Once again, these are the BlackVue DR900S-2CH dash cams with the PowerMagic Pro hardwiring kit for parking mode. And that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell button for us, please, so you can get notified of all new videos. And until the next one, we will see you soon.